So today I'm going to show you how to use the Markdown editor in Fluid.io. If you want to make your website instantly more organized, format your text nodes perfectly, and easily structure your AI-generated content with headers and lists, this quick trick is absolutely the best way to do it. First, open your active canvas in Fluid.io and click on any text node you want to format. Double-click inside the text block, or hit the edit button to open the Markdown box. You will see a clean workspace where you can start typing out your text or formatting what the AI already generated. Next, use the standard Markdown shortcuts to style your text. Type a hashtag followed by a space to create a large heading, or use double asterisk around any word to make it bold. If you want to build a bulleted list, simply type a dash or an asterisk followed by a space, and the text box will instantly format your items into a clean list. Now, once you're done adding headers, list, or bold text, click outside the node block or hit the preview toggle. The editor will instantly convert all of your Markdown syntax into beautifully styled text right on your canvas. So that's it. That's how to use the Markdown editor in Fluid.io. Make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.